And wolf was there. Huh? Lamb was there. So, and wolf was drinking water in the running stream. So a lamb came also to drink water there. You understand? So wolf thought of, I will kill this lamb and devour and eat. What to do? You understand? Then the wolf says, oh lamb, why have you called me bad names, ill names? No, first thing, why are you making water muddy for me? I am drinking water, don't you know? He says, sir, you are in the upstream, I am in the downstream. How is it that I am making water muddy for you? Understand my point? Wolf was in the upstream, lamb was in the downstream. The wolf said, hey, why are you making water muddy for me? I am drinking water. How is it? You are in the upstream, I am in the downstream. How is it that I am making water muddy for you? If I make muddy, then water will run this way, but you are in that way. Oh, then why you have called me bad names 1 year ago? Sir, I am only born 3 months ago. How can I? How is it that I called you bad names 1 year ago? Oh, your mother might have said, I am kill you. This is such work. This is such plan. You understand? Such nasty plan. Isn't it? This thing going on. Don't you experience this thing? Don't you experience? Don't you experience? It's such nasty platform. This thing going on, isn't it? Lamb means innocent. Innocent stands for innocent. And wolf stands for craziness. Innocence and aggressiveness. Isn't it? What to do? Tolerate. We are tolerant extremely. What can you do? This is a wolf in your life. And is it there? No way.